Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is on the line, and we have just 2 months away from that smartphone. According to the latest leaks, that smartphone will released on the August. So the new leaks is about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 screen, and it has a flat screen confirmed by the reliable leakstar Ice Universe. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will have a flat display, says reliable leakstar Ice Universe. This will be the first in 5 years, as the Galaxy Note 5 was last in this series proper to use a flat screen. As you can see on your screen, this is the Ice Universe tweet, and he says Aristotle said the earth is round and Ice Cat, the Ice Universe. The Twitter leakstar says the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is a flat. All notes after the Samsung Galaxy Note 5 have had a curved screen. Soon after, the Galaxy S series also switched to all curved screen, something that was previously reserved for the H model. Samsung has started to reconsider this strategy recently. The Galaxy S10e and S10 Lite have flat screen, for example, as does that the Note 10 Lite. Anyway, what the cat left unspoken is the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will have a curved screen. As we mentioned, it's typical the Lite model of the premium series that the get a flat screen. We saw just that the Note 20 case that leaked recently, as well as render of the both device, the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus, and it will be unrevealed in early August and will be joined by the Galaxy Fold 2 as well, which is expected to grow some Note like features. So guys, this is the currently leaks, latest leak from the Ice Universe, and let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 lineup? Lots of Samsung's lovers waiting for the new flagship of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy, like the S20, also a very great smartphone, the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and now the Galaxy Note 20 on the line, and we have just 2 months away from the Galaxy Note 20 series. So let me know in the comment section. Also, I will make a more video about the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 when the latest leaks and rumors coming. So make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.